Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that I'm sure many of you have encountered at some point or another. Is there a way to move a lot of files into separate folders at the same time, whether you're a student working on a project, a professional organizing your work documents, or simply someone trying to declutter their digital life? This is a question that has probably crossed your mind. In this video, we'll be exploring the answer to this question and providing a step-by-step guide on how to efficiently move multiple files into separate folders. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to tackle this task and save yourself some valuable time in the process. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to moving multiple files into separate folders, there are a few different approaches you can take. The method you choose will depend on your specific needs and the tools you have at your disposal. One common scenario is that you have a large number of files in a single folder, and you want to move them into separate subfolders based on certain criteria. For example, maybe you have a bunch of images from a photo shoot, and you want to organize them by date or by category. In this case, one approach you can take is to use a combination of sorting and filtering tools within your operating system's file explorer. Most file explorers allow you to sort files by various criteria, such as name, date modified size, etc. You can also use the search function to filter out specific types of files or files containing certain keywords. Once you've sorted and filtered your files, you can then select multiple files at once and move them into their corresponding subfolders. This process might take a bit of time, especially if you have a large number of files, but it's a straightforward way to get the job done. Another approach is to use third-party software or plugins that specialize in file organization and management. These tools can often automate many of the tasks involved in moving multiple files into separate folders, saving you time and effort in the process. For example, some software allows you to create custom rules for organizing your files based on specific criteria such as file type, date modified, or even the contents of the file itself. You can then apply these rules to a batch of files at once, saving yourself from having to manually sort through them one by one. To recap, when it comes to moving multiple files into separate folders, there are several approaches you can take depending on your specific needs and tools. Here are the Use sorting and filtering tools within your operating system's file explorer to quickly organize and categorize your files. Utilize third-party software or plugins that specialize in file organization and management to automate tasks and save time. Consider creating custom rules for organizing your files based on specific criteria, such as file type, date modified, or content. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this explanation helpful in answering the question of whether there's a way to move multiple files into separate folders at the same time. If you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on productivity and organization tips. As always, we'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite file organization techniques? Do you use any specific software or plugins to help manage your files? Let us know in the comments below.